Hi, this is Joe. So this is my 8.1c the code explain video. So let's go to my stack. So for my stack, we got the my my stack T. This is the class. So and this is a generalized class where T represents any type and be stored on the stack. And arrow is used as underlying storage, and count property records the number of elements currently on the stack. And then as you can see here, we use this count is 0 because to initialize the stack, you need to specify the capacity, create an array of specified the size, and set the counter to the 0. And then we can go into the push. So for this push, how we use that is to press the element to the top of the stack, throw an expansion if the stack is full assignment, followed by incrementing with count plus plus. Then we go to the pop. We use T2. This is a public T. Here, the pop is used for pop and return the top element of the stack. And you can through exception of the stack is empty, then we got the decrement before fetching with this one. And then we go to find. For the find, everything for the find, find. The find use the delegate function table here. It's as looking up condition, and it could find the first element from the top of the stack that satisfies the condition, and then it could return an default value if not found. And then we go to find all. Use find func table, and then for the find all elements that specify the condition, and use the list t to temporarily store the results, and then it will return an arrow if found, no otherwise. And then we go to move all or remove all. It will delete all elements that satisfy the condition, and then deletion is accomplished by moving the elements of the arrow, and then it will return the number of the elements removed. And then we go to the max and main. It will get the default comparator using. It will compare t and default, then iterate through the array to find the max or min value, and then your empty stack returns the default value. This is all for my stack, and then I open the account.cs. This is the basically code, and then we just looking for compare to. So for this code, the compare to is using by in the incomparable charger, and for the purpose is used to compare the balance of two account objects for storing purpose, like list account stored blah blah, and then the return value, the one is current account balance if it's bigger than other account balance, or the order is null, and the zero is balance is equal, and then minor one, the minor one is current account balance is smaller than other account balance. Then we go to deposit. The deposit is function. The function is deposit an amount into the account, and then parameters the amount to be deposited must be positive number, and then it will return value. Return value is like it is true, the deposit was successful. If it's false, the deposit failed, like the amount is smaller or equal to 0. And we're going to withdraw. The withdraw function is the money from the account, then it will parameters the amount to be withdrawing must be a positive number and not exceed the balance. And then for this return true and false, when it's returned true, the withdrawal was successful, and if it's false, like amount smaller or equal to 0, or the balance is not enough. So at the end is the print. It just will print the account holders and the balances, and then we can test this code, and we run this code. So for this one is create and populate a stack of accounts, and then we can test the find method, and then test the find all method, and then we can test the min and max method, and then this is remove all, and this is the pop, and this is expression handling, and like if something wrong at here, it will show us. So for the created pop populate a stack of accounts, here showed us no, here let's go to the find method. The find method will show us like that, and the find all, and here is the max and min, and here is remove all. Wait, remove all, and this is the expression handling, yeah. So this is all of my code, and I think that's all. Thank you so much.